Okay. Uh, Let me just like so many of you were asking about the enter calls, like why calls are not coming. Again, comparison with Angular or React. So we will just go through. So what I have done is I have just filtered out the jobs on the Naukri for a respective Angular, React, .NET, and the Java with 3 years and last 15 days job. Okay, recentness I have freshness I have selected 15 days. So if you can see for Angular we have around 4,537. Okay. For React, again the same criteria. Location I have not specified, just the technology and the last 15 days job. So it is around 3,700. So you can say almost 1,000 differences there, but that is not a big number. When we talk about .NET, it is again 3,610. And this I have just searched only for the .NET. If we go with .NET or .NET plus Angular or React, again this number will increase because so many companies are started looking for full stack developer. Okay, so this number will double when we combine it with Angular or React. Same for Java. Java frequently, like we know, like Java is a evergreen technology. Like anyway, doesn't affect like the people who are in Java. They are really blessed. So market conditions or even recession, whatever you call it, or even AI, Java don't get easily disturbed by whatever factors we have, right? So Java is the evergreen technology we should work. But again, like it's not easy for everyone to have that patience because learning is also a hard time. Finding job is also takes time. So we need so much of patience from learning to job hunting also, right? So if you can see, last 15 days we have this much vacancies, and again, like it's not location specific. So we can say like so less jobs are there previously, like this number, let's say if we even talk about Angular, it just let's say 4,500, but let's say before 2 years back from when like market was good, so this number was around 15,000 or let's say 20,000. So that much jobs were present, but now it is not that scenario, right? Now, so one more thing, like so many of you were comparing React.js and AngularJS. So for now, let's say you must have learned Angular or you must have learned React. If you are from the backend technology, either .NET or Java, you might have learned React or the Angular as a supporting technology. But moving ahead, let's say if you are just focused on the UI technology, so only learning Angular won't be enough. You have to learn React as well now, or even Next.js also, or even Vue.js also. You should have the basic idea now because in every company or every the client which we work, they are providing you the Copilot access, right? For code verification, there are many tools or people companies have already started. So it's not like you should know everything. The idea is if you know the JavaScript, you should be able to work on Angular, React, Node.js, Vue.js, Next.js, any technology. Because the base you already know. With ChatGPT or even Copilot, you can explore those other technology and you should learn it quickly. That's the expectation everyone is looking. For now, we can say that market is only looking for Angular or only looking for React. At least for let's say 6 months or even 1 year also, you can consider like we will find a job specific to Angular or React. But moving ahead, be prepared कि companies are going to hire you for a UI position. Technology, it can be anything. More focused will be on the JavaScript. They will evaluate you on the JavaScript only. And if your JavaScript is good, either let's say for current project, it is for React or Angular, they will hire for that. Some of the question they will ask for that. But once that project is over, the next project, you won't have the guarantee. Those who are from the Indian MNCs, let's say, either you talk about TCS, MNC, Wipro, Infosys. So those who have experience working over there, so you knows like even .NET people have been asked to work on the Android also, right? Angular people have been asked to work on the Java also. But obviously they will provide the training. So this is not something new. It is already being followed by most of the Indian MNCs majorly. Not foreign MNCs don't follow this concept, at least for now, but they will startly follow this too because you have the right tool to like either you talk about Copilot or ChatGPT, they help you to assist and learn things very quickly, right? So if your basics are clear, when we talk about UI, like JavaScript is clear, so assumption is like you will be able to understand React or the Angular. So for now, you can focus on one technology, but once you land into the job, start exploring parallelly other technologies also. Not in depth, have one technology as a very strong hand, but other technology you should be familiar, like how it works. Like if we, Rishikesh, can you not please use anything? Just clear it. Okay. So what do we say? Have a strong hand in one technology and other technology. Either you talk about reactjs, nextjs. If we compare, like if now let's say the project is, if the project is very small scale and the uh, company, or they don't have on the top management, they don't have anyone from the backend like .NET or Java, so they will, from backend writing to the front end, everything they will do with Next.js, like either Node.js or Next.js, because API writing and everything they can done it with, right? So that is also trending. Till now, it is not that much trending, but slowly it is going to come into the market also. Okay. So this is like, again, so many of you were having question like calls are not coming. See, I have also recently changed. Either you are a fresher, but see, for a fresher, it's totally different thing. So we won't be discussing that, because for fresher, it's like for even for experience also, it is very hard. So for fresher, it is really very hard. So I know like so many people are asking, but I am also not into that era, like what actually fresher has to do, DS and everything. So I'm also not very clear like what you should do. But the advice what I normally give is like try for an internship, get some experience certificate. Either it is a fake one or anything. We have to land a first job. So doesn't matter it is it from a legit job or a fake experience. Just land a job by hook or crook. Anyway, you have to be in a first job, right? Now, if your experience is 2 to 3 years or 4 to 5 years, or even 8 years or 10 years also, or even more than 10 years also, calls are coming only in the last 15 days of your notice period. So if your notice period is 3 months, right? So don't expect that you will get call and you will get the offer, then you will put down the paper. Things are happening, but not in these four technologies, because Angular, React, .NET, or Java, there are so many people, right? Whenever someone thinks, if you don't get place from the college, right? Mostly these are the technology people normally jumps into, right? Normally, no one jumps into Salesforce because, or DevOps, right? It's not an easy thing to get into, but these are the technology which are very easy because without any, like if we talk about Salesforce or anything, the technology DevOps, it's not easy to learn. But these technologies are easy to learn. If you have a laptop, you can, without purchasing anything, you don't have to purchase anything, nothing. You can download the application and you can start exploring the technology. So these are the very easygoing technologies to land a job, right? So competition is very big. Okay. So other technologies, like things are happening, like you are able to get the offer, then you are putting down the paper. But with us, it's not like that. We are not getting call. In the last 1 month, you can say you will start receiving the call. If you got the offer within before putting down the paper, so you are lucky. Might be, let's say you are having a combination of Java plus Angular, Java plus React, or .NET plus Angular. If you are having combination, there are chances that you will get a chance. Again, it's luck also, because some only companies are hiring people with the 3 months of experience. Because you also know, like even if let's say a particular company offers you, provided you offer, there is no guarantee that you will join. Obviously, you are going to look for one or two more offer. So they also know it. So no company apart from the big MNCs. But again, it's, as I said, luck depends. That recruiter has to get in touch with you. You have to clear the interview. Then they might release the package. Again, one more factor is that the position is, whatever the position is vacant, if they don't find the internal candidate, then only they will look for the external. Parallelly, they will start looking everywhere, internal also and external. The minute they will get the internal candidate ready, they won't, even if your first round is done, second round is done, they will ghost you. They won't pick up your call and nothing. So many of you have already shared this, like after clearing two interviews also, HR is not picking. So probably they might have already got the internal candidate or other candidate which they, immediate joiner they might have got, something might be there. HR doesn't have any time to let us know that we got the candidate or your feedback is whatever, because they have so many things going on. We can blame them also, because you also know, let's say this vacancy, it was posted 4 days ago, now they don't show how many people have applied. It's just 100 plus 100 plus. Even though it is 3000 applicant, still it is 100 plus. Okay. So people don't look like, is it, see, here you can see it is Angular developer. Here you can see MVC and REST API, means it is a full stack position, right? So people normally don't go through the job description. They see the post and they apply. So that's why so many, for one applicant, there will be so many applications received, and it is very hard to process them also. So they use AI tool. That's why we need to have the ATS score and everything. Again, one more thing, even though people who are having, let's say, who are serving and they are having 1 month of notice period left or 15 months, still they are not getting job calls. So first check your ATS score. It doesn't matter if you can join tomorrow, but your ATS score is not good. So your resume is not going to land it to the particular recruiter. As I said, now for one job, they are going to receive so many applicants, 3,000, 4,000, right? So it's not easy for them to go through everything. So if your ATS score is good, then only they will check your CV, right? So these are the points. Like, so it doesn't matter if your Angular developer React calls are there, but only just for the immediate joiner they are looking. And for the immediate also, so one or two member have shared that they have cleared everything, but they are not releasing the offer. And they release the offer before 1 week. Getting it? They have released, they have confirmed everything, right? But unless we get the offer, we also get no, don't get that confirmation. So we push to get the to release the offer letter, but they are releasing just 1 month back also. So this is also happening. Even if you clear, they are not releasing the offer because they also know that if they release the offer, you are again going to show this offer to another company, just to what we normally do. Everyone knows that. But HR and other team that HR team also has started this tactic that delay the offer letter as much as you can. So some companies have already started it, at least mid scale, not the big one, but mid scale company have already started it. Big one also might start the same thing, right? Now, so this is like mostly question you have asked. So I think I have answered everything. So now we can go with the questions. Like if anyone have any questions, we can go through. Just raise a hand, so I will unmute you. Don't go all one by one. Yeah. Anyone?
If I have experience only with Angular and not with Java, and they
Mhm.
are asking for full stack, then how can we approach one particular position?
But how you are getting call for full stack? If you have not mentioned everything, have you mentioned anything in your CV or in your Naukri about Java?
Not mentioned, but some calls I get, they are asking for Java also.
In the talent first call only, na?
Yeah.
It's again like you can say just to get at least see if you have just started the interview and if you want some fake interviews to get your confidence, so you can say yes, right? Because we cannot
Hmm.
properly give the actual interviews, go into the waste just to get the confidence. So if some companies are asking for Java, you can say yes, I know the basic thing, but Angular is my strong point and I can work with Java also, like that you can say, and at least give the
Okay.
interview. Because getting
Okay.
that confidence and clearing the getting to answer the questions also, that is also going to need or two or three interviews to get that level, right? But
Hmm.
if you're not strong in Java, don't go in that direction. If you are strong in Angular, just focus to that. Because if you say Java na, 80% focus will be on Java, 20% they will ask Angular. That will happen. Then again, interview is going to waste if you mention Java. So they will
And again,
majorly focus on Java only.
with AI and everything, they are saying that front end will not be a strong point. So, do we need to actually go into Java or
Yes.
.NET?
See, that's what I'm saying. It don't be limited. Either you want to limit yourself to the Angular now. So Angular, React, Next.js, or everything. If you
Hmm.
don't, if you just want to stay with the UI, everything you should learn then. Not in depth, but at least you should be confident that yeah, with little bit time, I will be able to work with React also. That confidence you have to build.
Okay.
For that,
Yes.
JavaScript is the base. But if you don't want to learn, then have a backend technology with your hand. And if you already know the Java, not don't lose it because Java always has a market. We have already seen the number of count, right? Have some patience for Java also because Java is going to be there. Doesn't matter what AI and what tools are going to be there. Java will be always there. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. Yeah, Saurabh. Yeah, Saurabh. You can unmute.
Hello. Hello. Can you hear me? Hello.
Yes.
Sir, I am Arun PS. I am an Angular developer with 3 years of experience.
Hmm.
My now the company is saying to learn the Node.js also. Sir, is it possible to learn a short time in a Node.js? Sir?
Node.js is very easy relatively. Means, see, if you understand the proper JavaScript concept now, Node.js is not
Uh,
that much hard. You can
okay,
learn it
but they
actually.
told me within 2 months you want to learn more than from advanced stage. They told me.
The
So I am
project,
asking that is
the
possible.
project is already going on, or you are going to start a
Sir,
new project. The Node.js one.
Actually, the currently I am an Angular developer with 3 years of experience. So I that project is full of Angular, but they
No,
are
no, no. The
told me
Node.js,
that
the
but
Node.js project you are saying.
that project, sir, I am saying, but they have told me new project is coming on. So we want to maintenance some bug fixing also. So they had
The
told me to
project
learn
is already there,
Node.js.
na? Node.js
Yes, yes,
project is
all,
already there, na? So that's why I said,
uh,
if the project is
uh,
already there, na, even if you
uh,
compare, even if you complete just a basic tutorial, na, you will be able to figure out something at least.
uh, Okay, that easy. You are saying that's easy for learning. That's right,
Yeah,
sir.
it's easy. You can figure it out. Like if you understand what is database, right? What is API, then you
Uh,
can,
uh,
because
uh,
it's a syntax only, normal function only we write.
okay,
Okay.
sir.
So
Thank
you
you,
can
sir.
easily learn.
Thank you.
Yeah,
Oh, thank you, sir. Okay.
fine. Yeah, Saurabh.
Yeah, hi sir.
Yeah.
Good evening, sir. My name is Chekri, sir.
Mhm.
I am fresher. I have learned the front-end technologies.
Mhm.
I know React and Angular both, sir.
Mhm.
Is there any scope for freshers, sir, for
See,
vacancies, sir?
that's what I said, na, give fresher. I am really not aware like what happens. Like normally college placement from the college placement companies hire the fresher, right? If you are if you are not got selected in the college placement, then either uh, search for the internship, at least have a proper experience, right? Because very few companies are there which hire fresher, and again they hire it from the college only, right?
Yes, sir.
So try to get an internship, have some experience, then you can actually look for the experience job. Or if
Sir,
possible, yeah.
in upcoming days, I am thinking to
Hello, sir.
learn Spring Boot, sir.
Hmm. Yeah, so
Is
Java
there
plus
any?
Angular, it's a good combination. That's what I said.
It's good combination, sir.
Yeah.
For freshers, is there any scope? Angular plus Spring Boot, is there any scope, sir?
Yeah, yeah. If you learn Java now, have patience. For Java also,
Okay.
people hire fresher also. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Yeah. Fine.
Sir, for example, sir, if I
Yeah.
Hello,
Yeah.
hello, sir. Anand this side.
Yeah.
Sir, I'm
Yes,
having
sir.
3 years of ex. I'm audible,
Mhm.
sir.
Yeah, yeah. Go ahead quickly.
I'm having 3 years of experience in Angular developer, and
Mhm.
from last 1 month, I'm searching for the opportunity, but not getting any calls.
You are serving
I don't
notice
know what to
period.
do. No, actually,
So you will have the notice period now.
yeah, 15 days,
15
but I'm not
days.
serving any notice period. Yeah,
So how come you are not getting call for 15 days? Have you checked your
I
ATS
don't
score?
know. Yeah, it is 70, 75.
75 is, I think, less. 80% we should have. See the bullet point or something, everything,
Okay,
search keyword, we have it in your resume or not related to Angular. Something is wrong with your
okay,
CV only. Because with 15 days, you should get the call. It's not that bad ki your calls are not coming. Something is wrong in your
okay,
CV. So many people
okay,
have said the same thing. I have connected with them. I have seen the CV also. So like software development, agile, right? Requirement gathering. These words should be also there in your CV.
okay, okay,
Just go to Naukri and see the job description of any Angular job. See what such keywords or what terms are there. Everything should be there in your CV, right?
okay. Yeah,
Then only that your CV will get filtered with your talent acquisition team. Otherwise, as I said, na, even though you have 15, you can join in 15 days, na, still you won't get call. Because for one application, they are receiving 4 to 5,000 applicant. Can they really go through all those CVs? So they are also using the AI,
No, no,
right?
yes.
So if your CV is not ATS good with good score, your CV won't get filtered by that AI tool. So check your CV first.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay, sir, and I also have the basic understandings of React.
Hmm. Yeah, it's good.
So can
Then
I
you
apply
can
for the
add it.
same?
You can add it in CV also.
Okay,
Just mention like you have a working experience, but or you if based on your confidence, like how much confident you are, you can say like in the previous company I have worked on a React project also. Based on
okay,
your confidence, how much confidence you have in React. But if you know, just mention it, right?
okay.
Hi,
Yeah.
sir.
Sir,
I have one doubt.
Yes, sir.
hello.
Yeah.
Okay, you carry on first. I will.
Yeah, Anand.
Sir, I want your suggestions on Salesforce development.
Okay.
Actually, I'm looking for it.
Hmm.
Can I go for the Salesforce or
See,
stick with the Angular?
I'm not the right person because Salesforce, I'm totally new. I don't know anything. But jobs are very good over there compared to whatever the technology we are talking now. Salesforce has a
Yeah.
good opening and it will be always. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. Fine.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Hi, sir. I
Yes,
have
sir.
one doubt.
Hmm.
Like, how much time a person should spend in first company, sir?
It's based on the company. If you are getting work is good and you are getting to learn, now you should stay at least for 2 years. At least two.
Actually, sir, actually, I'm working in this type of company like NBFC, right, sir?
Hmm.
Actually,
Hmm.
their work is not there like that. Not able to get much. They are not focusing much on tech and all, sir. Should
But
it be right to?
at least 1 year you should be there because
Yes,
then
sir.
the
1 year
rest,
completed.
yeah, if 1 year is
1 year.
completed now, you can leave the company because if you leave before that now, in all the
Okay.
companies for future, you have to answer why you left that company so early, right? So it's if it you have completed 1 year, you can leave that if there is no work.
Actually, in that company that I'm working on Angular and Next.js, so
Hmm.
shall I move to any other technology for backend, or is it okay, sir? Angular plus Next.js, sir. Node
Yeah,
also I know,
Next.js
but
is trending. So as I will say, in Next.js, don't let it go. There will be so much of market coming for Next.js.
not
Okay.
sir. Next, sir. Next I'm telling.
Nest, okay. No,
Yes, sir.
that
NEXT,
is
sir.
not that much trending. It was last year, but it is not that trending right now. Okay,
So,
but
sir,
Angular
what
is
should
good.
I do? Angular is there, right, sir? So,
If your
with
JavaScript is
Angular,
good, learn React also. Angular plus React,
yes,
it's a good combination.
okay, sir. And
Okay.
for backend, sir, for backend anything.
Backend, if you are good in programming, you can go for a Java. If you are not that good, .NET is easy to learn.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Yeah.
Okay,
Uh,
thanks, sir.
yeah. Next one, Nikita.
Hi, sir.
Yeah.
Hi, sir.
Yeah.
Yeah, actually, I'm having around 4 years of experience in Angular, and
Mhm.
these days I'm getting calls also
Mhm.
from multiple companies.
Mhm.
But because of notice period, they are not scheduling anything.
Mhm.
And if I say like it will be negotiable up to 30 days, then
Mhm.
also they are saying like it should be
What
15 days or immediate. I
what's
mean,
your
they are looking for.
what is your company name? MNC or normal?
Yeah, it's MNC only, and it will be
See,
90 days of notice period, but I can negotiate till maybe 45 or 60 days.
the problem is when we say if you are from a MNC, if you say like
Hmm.
it, they can release me in 30 or 35 days, na, they also know that you are bluffing. No, no
Mm-hmm.
MNC will leave you, right? So they also know that
Yeah.
unless you are on bench, correct?
Mm-hmm. Hmm.
So most of the people they call, they are from the talent acquisition. They also that is their daily job, right? People pull them
Yeah.
daily, right? So they also know that if you are in a MNC, no company is going to release you before 90 days. So first mention like you are on the bench. So they will get the
Mm-hmm.
confidence like you are on the bench. So on the bench, people get left, they can leave early, right? So
Okay.
mention that
Okay.
you are on bench. We don't have projects. So people are getting released if they are asking quickly. Then at least they will
Okay.
consider. Otherwise, if you
Okay.
just
Okay.
say that they are going to release, no one will believe that. Okay.
Okay.
And what is
Yeah.
your ATS score?
It's 80%.
80%, no? As I said, कि minimum 80% should be there. People are getting
Mm-hmm.
call, but most probably those who are not getting call, just check the ATS score. That's the very big thing now. Yeah, Nikita, thank you.
Okay, thank you.
Sir, where
Sir,
we can check the ATS
Sonu,
score?
There are tools, no? Just Google how to check ATS score online. So many websites are
they're
there.
asking for money, sir.
But no, ATS score at least they will provide without money. Suggestions they won't provide, right? Then you upload your CV to ChatGPT, then ask the suggestion. Like that, we have to increase our ATS score. Got it? You don't have to
Okay.
purchase their package. Check the ATS score from any 2-3 website, then put it on ChatGPT, then ask ChatGPT to provide the revise point to increase the ATS score. Then do like changes like that. Okay? That's how everyone is doing.
सर
Yeah.
सोनू,
Yeah. So
एक्चुअली अभी इंटरव्यू मैंने 2-3 दिया, जिसमें क्या हुआ, .NET का तो क्लियर हो जा रहा है, बट एंगुलर में फंस जा रहा हूँ.
एंगुलर में कैसे फंस रहे हो यार अभी?
बेसिक और डीपली घुसते चले जा रहे हैं उसमें,
वो
तो
एक
फिर
मुद्दा में
दिक्कत
ना,
हो
ये
जाएगी.
अगर इफ यू आर क्लियरिंग .NET एंगुलर में अगर गड़बड़
नहीं
कर रहे हो तो फिर ये
नहीं,
अपनी गलती है ना, क्योंकि लोगों के .NET क्लियर नहीं हो रहे हैं, तुम्हारे .NEट क्लियर हो रहे हो और एंगुलर अगर फंस रहे हो तो कैसा है ना? एक प्रोजेक्ट कर लो ना अच्छे से स्टार्टिंग से एंड तक, वो कॉन्फिडेंस अपने आप आ जाएगा. क्योंकि
हाँ एक्चुअली क्योंकि ना क्लास जब स्टॉप हुआ तो उसके बाद 4 महीने तो मैं विलेज में था, तो स्टडी
वही बोला
एंगुलर का
मैंने
हुआ ही
कि
नहीं थोड़ा.
एक बार प्रोजेक्ट कर
हाँ
लो, जब भी आप इंटरव्यू में एक्चुअली एक्टिव हो तो एक प्रोजेक्ट करके ही करो, नहीं तो वो नॉलेज नॉलेज ही रहेगा. सिर्फ व्हाट इज वाले क्वेश्चन ही बता पाओगे, अंदर वाले क्वेश्चन नहीं बता पाओगे. ओके, एक प्रोजेक्ट कर लो, नहीं तो
हाँ,
फालतू इंटरव्यू वेस्ट जा रहे हैं, कुछ मतलब नहीं है.
क्योंकि ऑफर्स वो लोग अच्छा प्रोवाइड कर रहे हैं, .NET प्लस एंगुलर के साथ
वही तो बोला
ऑफर
मैंने
अच्छा
कि
दे रहे
.NET एंगुलर
हैं.
जावा ये अभी मस्त कॉल आ रहे हैं, बट उसमें अगर अपन क्लियर नहीं कर रहे तो ये अपनी गलती है. ओके, एक प्रोजेक्ट कर लो, वो कॉन्फिडेंस आ जाएगा वापस, क्योंकि टॉपिक सभी पता रहते हैं लेकिन बताते समय फिर वो उतना कॉन्फिडेंस दिखता नहीं है. ओके.
ओके सर,
Same,
तो एक पर्टिकुलर, ओके ठीक है.
चलो. हाँ. या.
same is for Java. Like for Java also, it will be like they are asking for more of Java, no?
हाँ, see, whenever you apply for a full stack, either it is .NET with Angular or Java with Angular, na, mostly they will focus on backend technology. Little bit they will focus on the Angular or React, whatever you say. Okay.
So if I do one project in Java, will that be enough?
See, I'm not aware with Java, because in Java, like so many things are there, like core, advanced, microservices. Same thing we have in .NET also. But now, either we talk about .NET or Java, we normally use them just for the API development, correct? We normally don't create web application with Java or .NET. So the focus is on API development. So if you at least can write the basic API with Java, let's say basic CRUD API, login API, JWT token API, right? So that will be enough so that you can explain, like, these are the things I have already done, right? So this you can try, because there are calls with combination. Yeah, next.
Sir, how we can practice coding question actually?
Which coding question? JavaScript or?
Like JavaScript interviewer asking coding question.
Right. So JavaScript question, like, first understand the topic. Either we say hosting, closure, right? Prototype, callback function, so many things, whatever we have based around that only our coding questions are there. So if you understand those topics clearly,